Welcome to Coogan Tuning, and on today's episode, we're going to go ahead and unbox an HP Tuners for this lovely C8 Corvette.
It's in there?
We're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, exactly how it works if you were to buy it brand new, the brand new USB cable. Let's take a look.
No, I don't think so. Nothing on that.
What's in here?
I'm fucking with you.
Okay, junk. Ah. Right. Here you have your brand new HP Tuners. Brand new. This is exactly how it's going to come when you get it. Also, very important to note, not returnable if box open. Very, very, very important. If you open it, don't send it back. Nobody wants it. So, let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh, we have to cut the don't open sticker. All right. Forgot the other sticker. Whoop. All right, so now let's open it. Quick start guide to tell you exactly how to start and use it. I also have a link below which you have a video instruction on how to set it up. We got this, another instruction sheet, QR code on the back. Scan the QR code to easily get access to all the links you need. So all the links you need is on this QR code. This link will also be attached down below. Check that out when you do get your MPVI3, and let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay. Oops, I almost dropped it. If you drop it, don't return it either. This is it. This is the newest version. Has 8 gigabytes of storage, USB-C. It's really fast, and it only works with the newer GM stuff, the Global B, all like the 2020 and up stuff. You need the MPVI3. You cannot use your MPVI1, 2, 2 Plus. All that shit's obsolete. You need this. This is very important to buy and to use if you have a brand new Corvette C8 and you want to get it tuned. Let's go ahead and open side number 1. Okay, maybe we can't open side number 1. Brand new USB cable. Always use the USB cable in the box. It's the best quality thing. It'll work every single time. I promise you it'll never fail a flash. Sticker. This is by far worth everything. You're gonna buy something, the sticker is totally worth it. It's so worth it that they gave 2 stickers. Then let's go ahead and see what's inside box number 2. Have a lanyard. I was hoping for a USB drive, but I guess this works. Maybe you can clip it onto something. And this is your HP Tuners MPVI3 to read, write, flash, pretty much do anything that you need to do with your car. It also doubles as a scanner, and you can clear your codes, which is really nice because you don't need to go to AutoZone, Advanced, you know, wherever, or even your buddy, right? So if you do need an HP Tuners MPVI3 and you do want to tune your car, down below there's a link, you can follow it. I'm going to show you how to put your C8 Corvette
into dyno friendly mode where you can make pulls. If you don't follow these steps, you will not be able to do dyno pulls, and it will not let you shift into the next gear. Car, and then press and hold the traction control button until ESC off turns on. From here, we're going to go ahead and drop the car into drive and then manual mode so we can manually select the gears. Because what we're going to do is we're going to keep it in first gear, hold the RPMs between 2,000 to 3,000, and you'll slowly watch all the lights on the dashboard turn on. Once you see the park assist come on and the ABS come on the left side, then we're ready for dyno pulls. Now it's time to put in the gear that you want to do a dyno pull in, probably 4th or 5th. Just let it rip. Stick around for the dyno sheet and lots of flames, like lots of flames.